look, it's from Davis.
Wow.
It's going to hit the evil pig is in the bottom.
Wow.
Dad, you get to be Darth Vader, and
Do you like
get
it?
to be the Angry Bird.
Look at the
Man,
camera. Show me
that
what
is
you got.
awesome.
Angry Bird Star
Who got you that?
Star Wars.
Davis.
No, it's from Aunt Mary Ann.
Cool.
Look in the camera. What do you want to say to her?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Aunt Marianne.
You want to show her your leg?
Not my leg. Not my leg, Mom.
We'll have to open that up. You want to open it up and play with it?
Yeah.
Tell her bye.
Why are you trying to hit the pigs in